Alright guys, this is Good Noel, and we want to talk about something important. Okay, in today's video I want to show you how you can actually sell for free on Facebook, or how you can lobby for, or how you can find prospective clients for your product or your services using Facebook for free. Usually on this channel I make videos about sponsored posts, but this one is completely free. So we'll be using some information on Facebook to use them to find our prospective clients, our prospective customers, and then we make them an offer, and then from there we can strike a relationship or grow our businesses. All right, so it's a very simple one, it's an easy one. So you come, the first thing you have to do is you come to your Facebook. This is your regular Facebook. All right, this is not your business manager or whatever. So you come to your regular Facebook, and this is my regular Facebook. I'm going to close this. So you come to the search tab. Let's say you are a business that makes what's it called now? Maybe you make supplies for people, for, let's say, hospitals, or you make supplies for schools or for hotels and stuff like that, restaurants and all that, and you're looking to get restaurants within a particular area, people that you can actually make supplies to. So what you have to do is you come to this search bar here, and then let's say I'm going to use schools, for instance. Let me say schools in Lagos. I'm going to use schools in Lagos. So if you have a different industry, you can just type it there using your location, because the location is actually important. You're looking to do business with people who are close by. All right, so when you search for schools in Lagos, it can be hospitals in Lagos, it can be churches in Lagos, it can be wherever your niche is or your feed is. So, and your location, it must not be Lagos, it can be Enugu, it can be Kano, it can be Abuja, wherever. All right, so I'm in Lagos, and that's why I use Lagos by default. So when it's opened this way, you have to come down to where it says places. So you click on places, and then it's going to give you a lot of information to work with. As you can see, this one is Great Schools, and this is CMK Culinary School, and this is Universal School of Aviation. All right, let's say you are in the business of making supplies for schools, and these guys are your targets, and you're looking for how you can reach them, or you've been looking for ways to reach them. This is how you're going to do it, easy and straight to the point, because this is their Facebook page, and you can even see some of their addresses here. Now you can even narrow it from here. You can narrow your search from here. All right, you can narrow it from here, but we're working with Lagos, Nigeria, like I've said, from scratch. So you can see the areas of Lagos, Nigeria, where we have our schools. All right, so from here, what you're going to do, I'm just going to open this one in a different tab, in a new link tab, and then this, I don't think we need this. This is not a full school. We're looking for proper schools. I'm looking for proper schools. It's a fashion school. This looks like okay, you can see this is the Lagos Business School. We're just going to select that. So what you do after you open them, you come here. Let's work with the Great School, and then you can see that they have a send message here. All right, so before now you must have realized or made your own research, and you've discovered the problems that these schools have and the solution you can offer them. All right, so this is where you now make your offers. So if you come to where they say send message here, you will see this one. They have an already made reply for possible clients. All right, so they have a question that they've already set up for prospective what's it called now, pupils, people that want to come to their schools. But that's not what we want to do. We want to actually offer them a service. In return, they will pay us. So let's say you have a problem you want to solve for them. Maybe you want to be the one responsible for sewing their uniforms. You want to be the one that's responsible for supplying them maybe the school shoes, stuff like that, and any other thing. It can be virtually, it can be anything at all that you feel is a problem for them and they might want to improve on or want to solve. So you just come here, consider this you pitching to them. So you just write your proposal. Hi there, this is good Noel. Hi there. Of course, this is not how you should write it. You should have a way of conveying your message seamlessly to people. This is good Noel. So this I am writing just for the sake of this video. All right. If you are a company or if you are a business, you write like a business. So the key thing is to make it personal. Do not sound like a bot. All right. So from here you can tell them what you want to do. I want to blah blah blah. I want to supply you blah 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 blah. So you have a proper idea of what you're selling. So you are pitching it to these people. All right. So you write down what you do. If you have a link to a website, you put it in. If you have a contact location that they can check out, you put it in. If you have an offer that you're making them, a special offer you're making them, like a time frame offer, you put it in, and all of that. You just put everything, you just put them in and you send them. All right. So it's going to pop as a message to them. So they are going to see it instantly. So it bypasses the process of you going through submitting of forms and all that. Although if they get you from here, you will have to maybe follow those processes, but this method helps you bypass that waiting log of submitting stuff like that. So this is what you will be doing, and you can send it to as many schools as possible. And then when they send you messages, it's equally going to come in as a message. All right, it's equally going to come in as a message, and you can pick it and go from there. It's same thing you can do for, let's look for hotels in Lagos. Hotels. Okay, let's use Abuja this time around. So people in Abuja will not feel marginalized that we always talk about Lagos City. All right. So we are looking for hotels in Abuja, and as you can see some of them here. So we'll click to places again, and then you can see them. This one is Valencia Hotels, Abuja. This food looks delicious. And we have Sheraton, Abuja. We have Stanford Hotel, Abuja. We have Ibetu Hotel. So if you have a solution to a problem for all these people, all you have to do is just open it in a new link tab, and then you send them the message you want to send them. So before now, you should have drafted the message you want to send. Okay, these ones are saying book now, but you can see the message here. All right, so you can equally still send them a message. So you just write what you want to send and forward it here. We'll go to Ibetu. It's the same thing. You send them your message. All right, and then they will read it, and if they find your offer enticing, they would get back to you. All right, so let's look for, what else should we look for? Restaurant. How can we make a video without looking for restaurant? That would be unfair to Mother Nature. Restaurant. restaurants in Abuja. I should have used the Enugu for this one, but let's work with Abuja again. So we have some restaurants in Abuja. So we click on places, and then was that places or pages? Okay, places. So you can ignore Jumia and this thing. They are not restaurant. These people are, I don't know, do they have a stand? No, they don't. Okay, so this is a retail company. Okay, this is a place. Do they have a physical food store for Jumia? I don't know, never seen one. If you are in Abuja, you should tell me if there is one there. All right. So why is this one showing? This is not a food related page. Why are you here? Restaurants. Oh, these Abuja people, they are confusing me. Let me put it to Lagos. Ooh. So we go to places again. Okay. So Lagos is giving us a more precise this thing. So you can see tasty fried chicken in Lagos. So you open it, and then they have their own is a call now this thing, but you can equally send them a message too. Let's say if you want to be supplying them the chicken before they transform it into whatever they do. Beautiful. You can make your proposal here or make your pitch in here, and they will get back to you. So that's how you can use Facebook for free to find bulk product buyers or bulk services or people you can render bulk services to for free. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay Facebook for this. This is completely free. All you have to do is to be sending these messages to people who are your prospective customers. Don't be spammy. Don't be spammy. People hate spams. Just write like a regular human being. Write like a normal human being, because in the end you'll be conversing with a normal human being. So from there you can build a relationship and you can close them from there. All right. So thank you for watching this video. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.